Students, today I am going to start the exercise 4.1. Question number A. Complete these tables of equivalent fractions. What is equivalent fraction we have seen earlier in the last period. To find the equivalent fraction of the given fraction, either we can multiply or divide to both numerator and denominator by the same number. So based on this, here we are given two tables and we have to find out the equivalent fraction of the given fraction. In the first table, some fractions are given on the left hand side and we have to find out the equivalent fraction by multiplying to the numerator and denominator by some numbers. And which are these numbers? The numbers are 2, 3, 5, 6, right? Now in the first column, we have to find out the equivalent fraction of the given fraction by multiplying the number 2 to the numerator as well as to the denominator. So let us find out. The first fraction is 1 by 2. So after multiplying by 2 to the numerator as well as to the denominator, what we will get? 1 into 2, 2 and 2 into 2, 4. So the equivalent fraction is 2 by 4. The second fraction is 1 by 3. 1 into 2, 2 and 3 into 2, 6. So the equivalent fraction is 2 by 6. Third fraction is 2 by 3. 2 into 2, 4 and 3 into 2, 6. So the equivalent fraction is 4 by 6. The last fraction is 2 by 5. 2 into 2, 4 and 5 into 2, 10. So 4 by 10 is the equivalent fraction of 2 by 5. In second column, we have to multiply the given fraction by the number 3 to the numerator as well as to the denominator. Now the first fraction is 1 by 3. The first fraction is 1 by 2. After multiplying by 3 to the numerator, what we will get? 3. And after multiplying by 3 to the denominator, what we will get? 6. 2 3s are 6. So 3 by 6 is the equivalent fraction. The second fraction is 1 by 3. 1 into 3, 3 and 3 3s are 9. So the equivalent fraction is 3 by 9. Third fraction is 2 by 3. 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So equivalent fraction is 6 by 9. The last fraction is 2 by 5. So after multiplying by 3 to the numerator as well as to the denominator, what we will get? 2 3s are 6 and 5 3s are 15. So 6 by 15 is the equivalent fraction. Likewise, you can find out the equivalent fraction of the given fractions by multiplying the number 5 and 6. So you find out these two columns by your own. Now coming to the second table. In the second table, we have to divide the given fraction to the numerator and denominator by the numbers 2, 3, 5 and 6. So here in the first column, first of all we divide the fraction by the number 2 to the numerator as well as to the denominator. Now the fraction is 30 by 60, right? After dividing by 2 to the numerator and the denominator, what we will get? 30 by 2, 15 and 60 by 2, 30. So 15 upon 30 is the equivalent fraction. The second fraction is 60 upon 90. Now 60 divided by 2, 30 and 90 divided by 2, 45. So 30 upon 45 is the equivalent fraction. Third fraction is 120 upon 150. Now 120 upon 2, 60 and 150 upon 2, 75. So 60 upon 75 is the equivalent fraction. The last fraction is 30 upon 900. So after dividing by 2 to the numerator and the denominator, what we will get? 30 divided by 2, 15 and 900 divided by 2, 450. So 15 upon 450 is the equivalent fraction. In the second column, we have to divide the given fraction by the number 3. Now the fraction is 30 upon 60, right? 30 divided by 3 will get 10 and 60 divided by 3 will get 20. So 10 upon 20 is the equivalent fraction. Second fraction is 60 upon 90. 60 divided by 3 will get 20 and 90 divided by 3 will get 30. So 20 upon 30 is the equivalent fraction. The next fraction is 120 upon 150. Now 120 divided by 3 will get 40 and 150 divided by 3 will get 50. So 40 upon 50 is the equivalent fraction. And the last fraction is 30 upon 900, right? So after dividing by 3 to the numerator and the denominator, what we will get? 30 divided by 3 will get 10 and 900 divided by 3 will get 300. So 10 upon 300 is the equivalent fraction. So likewise you can find out the equivalent fraction by dividing the number 5 and 6 as well.